did you have to audition or handpick si Ryrie?
Nauna po yung kwento.
Okay.
So, we made sure muna na buo yung kwento bago namin i-offer sa cast.
Okay.
For Mujige, nagkaroon kami ng casting call.
Okay.
Napakaraming nag-audition. And she ultimately performed really well. And kinuha niya yung attention at puso namin. So, we got Ryrie.
Direct, what were the requirements o yung hinahanap nyo sa lead role ni Mujige?
Ideally, gusto talaga namin may lahing Koreano at marunong makapagsalita.
Meron siya.
Koreano ka ba, Pilipino? Pilipino po siya. Hindi po siya marunong mag-Koreano, pero para sa pelikulang ito, natuto po siya mag-Koreano.
Oh!
Yes.
Nag-aral siya.
Yes, for 3 weeks. And when we shot in Korea, trivia lang, yung mga tao doon, they thought that she's pure Korean because she speaks really great Korean.
Wow! Okay, Ryrie, anong pakiramdam when you got the role ng Mujige? Ano na? Wow! Pero mahirap ba yun na natuto kang mag-Korean in 3 weeks? Dali lang. So you can converse with ano? Yun. Okay. A requirement din talaga kasi ang role niya makakasama madalas si Jisoo.
At saka
Dahil galing po siyang Korea, kailangan niya talaga nagkukoreano siya.
Okay. Si Sunny naman, Alexa, ikaw, kailangan ba? Required ka din o hindi naman?
Hindi naman po, thank the Lord.
Thankfully, hindi kami hindi ka na-required.
Hindi naman.
But were you invited to play the role of Sunny? Were you handpicked to do this?
Was I direct? I think si Direk po ang makakasagot talaga niya.
Hindi. Pinili talaga namin si Alexa. Hindi po siya nagkaroon ng audition or to anyone. It was really for Alexa.
For Jisoo naman.
Si Miss Madonna ang makakasagot.
Ayan, Miss Mado, para si Jisoo, para napili.
No, kasi we were really looking for a Korean actor. And we needed to shoot soon, no? So, nagtuturo po kasi ako sa field ng film management. Yung aking co-teacher, si Wango Galiano.
oh yes, of course.
Told me, oh, you're looking for a Korean actor. You know there's a Korean actor who's here. Sabi ko, ha? Sino? Tapos sabi niya, ito. Pinakita niya sa akin. Sabi ko, ay, familiar ko. I wonder who's the manager. Because kailangan. So, I researched and then I spoke to SB Town, si Tatang, Robin, and then si Kathleen Go of Universal. So, yun. And then we pitched it to Jisoo and he liked it and he had a lot of suggestions actually. Kasi syempre, you know, we needed resource people also for the story and he gave it a really good perspective. So, yung role niya na-envision namin even grew further when we started talking to him.
Wow.
So, yun. Napaka-importante ng role niya dito sa pelikula.
What's Jesus' reaction when he got the offer to portray Jisung? What was your reaction when you were offered the role?
It was really honored to film here. I mean, actually, in this case, it's hard to film. You know, it's hard to find the film, and especially this genre, like family drama. You know, when you go to cinema, there's always like comedy, like action, but it's hard to watch it, the family drama. So I thought it's like very unique movie, and also it's like the story of life with Korean guy. And I also watched it about documentary about Kopiro. So I was actually, it was kind of negative way. So I want to show them it could be positive way, even it's like we're Filipino, so I want to show that as a Korean, like, good way.
Right.
So I'm going to do my best here.
Did you have to learn Filipino?
Yeah, I know just few words.
Okay.
Like in the movie, like Masanobu,
Okay.
and like just few words. Like,
Well, were you lucky that the little kid, the child actress, knows how to speak Korean?
yeah, she is genius. She learned really fast. So
Can we hear you talk in Korean right now?
안녕하세요.
Talk to Jisoo, talk to Jisoo.
Yeah, I mean, she's intonation is really like Korean accent.
Wow. O, ikaw naman, Rufa May. Ito na inaabangan natin.
Yun pa lang eh. Umabot siya. Siya. 5'5". Ano? Whitey. Ano yun? Go. Whitey.
O, pero ang role mo dito, kapitana ka.
Oo. Kapitana po ako. Surprise ang role ko dito. Napin niyo ako sa movie. Basta ako yung rainbow.
Wow. Kasi Peachy, parang ang tagal na rin namin.
Nagdadrama kasi sila kaya rainbow na lang.
Ah.
So, yan naman kasi ang logic eh.
Rainbow. Pero ang tagal na namin kasi ikaw din hindi nakikita sa movie.
Correct. Kaya nga, so ngayon nakikita na nila. Rainbow na. Nakapitana.
Nakapitana. Si Rufa May,
Kasi
acting
extra na to eh.
Heavy drama. Ikaw yung comic relief, parang gano'n.
Sana.
Ah.
Depende sa kanya na baka mamaya tayo lang natutuwa.
Correct.
Si Mama Donna. Pero definitely natutuwa ako na makita ko kayong lahat. Parang ngayon naman ko ulit nakapag-press ko dito kita Aster. Ever. So, hindi sa media ko. Parang ngayon, di ba matagal tayo hindi nagkita-kita?
Yes.
So parang nakakatuwa. You know that? It's very fun. The Philippines. With the fans.
Naku,
Family,
basta mamapunta itong sagot ni Rufa
May
May.
cameo role kasi ako dito, kaya sinasabi ko na agad na maganda yung role pero minsan lang ako maglalabas.
Wow! Kaya kailangan
So,
mo.
lalabas na ako doon sa info lang. Lalabas ako sa surprise.
Huwag naman sa pinakadulo. Okay.
Ano ba? Nasa dulo ba? Hindi naman. First and last.
Simulan na natin yung Q&A, Rufa May, baka kung saan pa tayo napunta. May mga questions tayo dito na sinabit